Hello there, this is Felipe, your preferred co-founder of Triplo AI. Rami, that's for you. And today I come with a very interesting use case that was provoked by a fellow user. And I'm going to address this in the most transparent way. I don't like spam. I really don't like. I cancel all of the spams that lands on my mailbox. But this guy asked me, how can I deal with users that I send cold email and reject my emails and come back to me saying that I'm a spammer, that I should not do it, that they didn't ask for these emails? Guess what? We're kind of agnostic on Triplo AI. We believe that you are the one that should be empowered to select what you want to do with it. And this is the reason why I'm recording this, because although I don't like this, but I'm going to teach you how to use Triplo AI to answer these users that didn't like your spam. So without further ado, let's play a kind of theater here. Let's say I am Johnny Spammy. I am the one that sent Felipe this email. This is a cold email template, pretty simple. I just copied this from some random site. And it says, is your customer support system actually losing your money? We've helped large companies like yours lower support costs by 150% and improve our overall sales by 237% in less than a year. All we did was integrate their entire company-wide support system into one efficient, easy-to-manage workflow called Expaminator. It's quick and easy to set up and requires no onboarding at all. Do you have time for this week to discuss how Expaminator could boost your sales? So this is like a ridiculous example, but see, I am Felipe and I replied to Johnny, thank you for reaching out, but I must admit I didn't appreciate receiving a spam email from you. Unsolicited messages like yours are not welcome in my inbox. I kindly request that you refrain from sending me further unsolicited emails. Thank you for understanding. I'm very kind normally. If I was the spammer, how could I use Triplo AI to answer this and not losing Felipe at once? So I would select the whole message, bring Triplo AI to my screen, and I would say something like, first I would start with context, so AI understands what's going on, and I would say, I am Johnny. I sent Felipe a cold email. He reacted badly. I'm sorry, but I don't want to lose Felipe. Suggest me a message that makes clear that I'm sorry, but also reinforces that I just sent him the email because I deeply believe that it could be of his interest. Make sure to highlight my product value. And then I'll hit enter and see what comes out of it. And here's the possible answer. So the subject would be apologies for unsolicited email, but the Expaminator can truly benefit your business.
Hi Felipe, I hope this email finds you well. First and foremost, I want to sincerely apologize for inconvenience caused by my previous email. I understand that receiving unsolicited messages can be frustrating, and I apologize for any negative impression that it may have created. I genuinely believe that our product Expaminator could bring significant value to your business. We have successfully assisted numerous companies on reducing their costs, and then it repeats the message by integrating our entire support and blah 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 about Expaminator. I fully respect your decision and understand if you're not interested in further discussions. If you ever change your mind or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.
I'm here to provide more information and address your the concerns you may have. Once again, I apologize for the inconvenience caused and I appreciate your understanding. Best regards, Johnny. See, I think this is amazing because if I was the one that sent the message to Johnny, maybe I could be touched by this reply. Yeah, of course, you can play with instructions. You can make this like more soft and short, and you know that you can customize pretty much anything that you want to do with Triplo AI. And what you can do, you can also copy this and turn this into a custom smart prompt. And I would just remove the context here because you have to select the current message. And you could just use this and add the context here, use spam reply. And let me do it. I'll hit enter and let's see what comes out of it. Pretty much the same thing. Hopefully you liked it. If you didn't try Triplo AI yet, this is your chance. Go to triplo.ai/trial. And if you have any questions or comments, leave it here and I'll do my best to address it as fast as possible. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.